In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc110u.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. And then open a browser, any of the browser that you have, and simply search for the missing DLL. Just put download. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. Double click. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, just simply double click. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on the install button and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.